Hi, I'm Varun Upadhyay. I started my professional journey with Clover Infotech in 2011 as a software developer. During that stint, I learned to work on Microsoft technologies and I grew up to role as a senior software engineer and as a .NET developer. Then I got opportunity to work in a CRM project with one of the leading company, Sengoben. So there I was working as a tech lead. I was always in touch with my colleagues and seniors at Clover. And one fine day, I was offered as a role of a delivery manager into the Microsoft technology track. So I was excited to know about the opportunity as a Clover is an established organization but still has the energy of startup. I realized the challenge and opportunity that Clover has always provided as it brings out the best in me. Joining back the Clover family has really accelerated my leadership capabilities and understanding of the business. I'm glad that I took the decision. I'm proud to say that I'm Cloverite Forever.